Hey there, autumn hazers. Grab a cup of tea, coffee, or hot beverage of your choice, because in this video, we are talking about something super important: thriving as a solo ager. Now, I know society loves to make it seem like if you're over 50 and single, you must be sitting in a dark room with 27 cats and knitting scarves for an imaginary grandchild. But let me tell you, that is not the case. Being a solo ager is not a life sentence of loneliness. It's a golden ticket to freedom, self-discovery, and designing life on your own terms. So in this video, we're diving into how to live your absolute best life as a solo ager. Happier, stronger, and more independent than ever. Let's do this. Let's reframe what living the solo life means to us, because it's all about perspective. And we'll have to deal with first things first, autumn hazers, which is that we will need to kick the loneliness narrative to the curb if we're going to live our amazing solo lives. Society acts like being single at 40 plus, 50 plus, 60 is some sort of tragedy. But the reality? It's an opportunity. Think about it. No one stealing the covers, no arguing over the thermostat, no in-laws judging your life choices. Sounds like peace to me, but that's not fully honest, low-key. It also is a dream. Whatever it is to you, the point is not to focus on it. It's better for us to shift our mindsets for the realities we're in the moment. If we're single, then we must live our happiest lives being single. And if we're coupled or booed up, then we need to be happy living that way too. But as our videos are mostly for the solo aging community, our perspectives are going to be from that point of view. So instead of saying I'm alone, say I am free to live life exactly how I want. Trust me, that tiny change in thinking, it's a game changer. You see, the key to aging solo successfully is to create a strong social circle, to build our own tribe. Just because we're solo, it doesn't mean we have to be isolated. The people for us are out there. Our people are out there! And here are some ways you can try to locate them. Join local meetup groups. There are actually solo ager groups out there. Volunteer. Helping others brings you joy and new friendships. Get into social media groups for solo agers. They exist and they're thriving. I will say this, autumn hazers, in building your tribe, please remember that it's quality over quantity. You don't need 100 friends, just a handful of great ones who truly get you. This too is important to prioritize for solo agers who are seeking peace in their autumn season. We need to be planning smart and striving for financial independence. We've got to be all about securing that bag, because one of the biggest, if not the biggest, worries solo agers have is financial insecurity. Let's be real. We are not out here trying to eat ramen noodles in our 70s. Although I am partial to a bowl or two every now and then, you can blame my Korean drama obsession. Should we talk about that one day? Let me know. But back to business. Here's what you can do as a solo ager trying to get their money right. Know your money situation. Time to get serious about budgeting, saving, and investing. Plan for the future. Look into retirement plans, passive income, and smart financial moves. Side hustles aren't just for 20-year-olds. Freelancing, consulting, or even starting a small business can bring in extra cash. And friends, don't sleep on financial planning apps. Even if math isn't your thing, it ain't mine. But I'm making myself learn. These apps can help make it easy to track and grow your money. Some of us really struggle with this, but we have to prioritize our health and well-being, because they say, our body is our home. So fix up, clean up, and maintain your physical house. Because you know what's not fun? Being over 50 and feeling like your knees are filing for divorce. My knees are currently going through a drawn-out and painful one, it feels sometimes. Anyway, here's the deal. Move your body. You don't have to be a gym rat, just stay active. Eat well. This is not the time to live on drive-through food. Get regular checkups. Yes, I know, doctors can be annoying, but so are preventable health issues. Autumn hazers, imagine serious me for a moment. I've only just learned this in my life, and it's working wonders for my overall health. I want to talk to you about how sleep is your best anti-aging and full-body health hack. Forget expensive creams, just getting 7-8 hours a night is the real secret. Listen, friends, whatever part of your middle age you're in, you've got to pursue life with passion and purpose. It's your life, so your rules. Tell me, what do you want to do with your life? Travel? Do it. Learn a new skill? Sign up for that class! Start dating again? Go for it. Or enjoy the peace of not dating, which is also a luxury. This is your time to explore, create, and finally do the things you've always wanted to do. I know you know this, but passion projects equal happiness. Whether it's painting, writing, gardening, or even starting a YouTube channel, hey, I see you. Just doing something just for you as a solo ager brings real joy. So there you have it, Autumn Hazers. Thriving solo over 50 is not just possible, it's amazing. What's something you've let go of or started embracing in your 50s that's made your life better as a solo ager? Let's share and inspire each other. And of course, don't forget to like this video if it spoke to you. Subscribe if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more videos for thriving in your autumn season. Thanks for hanging out with me, Autumn Hazers. See you in the next one.